Jumping rope with a weighted vest can be one of the most effective and quick ways to get in shape. But is it safe? Should you be doing it? In today's video, I'm going to tell you all the benefits and ways you can stay safe while jumping rope with a weighted vest.
Using a weighted vest is a great way to supercharge just about any workout. You can even just walk in a weighted vest. It's been proven to have numerous health benefits. Now, walking's one thing, but how about we really supercharge this and jump rope with it? Here are the benefits. Your body is adapting to the weight of the vest, and this can help you reach benefits of overall strength gain, increased bone density, and improved cardio function from the overall demand increase. As I used the vest, I really felt all of my muscles get engaged, especially my core, which was a little bit of a surprise that my abs were sore. The first thing I thought was I didn't do any sit-ups and my abs are sore like I did sit-ups. The weighted vest is an amazing tool for full body fitness. Jumping rope is already great for leg day. You already feel tired because you're jumping up and down and you get a full lower body exercise. Now when you add a weighted vest to that, it feels like you've just done squats after you finish jumping rope. It's actually pretty amazing, but you can feel every muscle be worked. You can even combine your jump rope with body weight exercises that will be more effective because you're wearing more weight. Wearing a weighted vest while jumping rope can make it way more time efficient. You're definitely not going to be working out as much as you did without the vest. You definitely don't even want to even try that. You can get hurt by trying to do that, and I'll talk about that more later. But it'll make what you did in 10 minutes be more effective in about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll feel that same effect, if not more, making it so you don't have that excuse that you don't have enough time in the day to work out obsolete, because all you need is about 5 to 7 minutes and you'll get a full body workout with a weighted vest and a jump rope. Stronger legs also generally reduce fall risk. Since jumping rope with a weighted vest can improve leg muscle mass, it can be helpful for reducing fall risk. A weighted vest is a perfect tool to help you build stamina. Adding the extra weight helps you out and helps you build stamina like you've never had before, and this can help you in most aspects of your life. Now, if you want to learn more about building stamina with a jump rope, check the link out I have below. Now, of course, we can't have the good without the bad. Here's the negative side of using a weighted jump rope vest.
Remember, you are not an anime character. You can't simply just go around wearing a weighted vest everywhere you go and you get stronger. You have to do things in moderation. You have to use this as a quick way to boost your workout so you can get it done quickly and efficiently.
Jumping rope with a weighted vest is not for beginners. If you're new to fitness, new to jumping rope, don't start out with a weighted vest. This is something you just simply don't want to do. You want to actually let your muscles get used to constantly jumping, your calves, your abs, and everything else. You are putting more pressure on your lower body, especially wearing a weighted vest. It's like you weigh 8 pounds more, 5 pounds more, 2 pounds more. Every time you jump, you're putting that much more pressure on your lower body. The fact of jumping up and down, period, puts pressure on your lower body. But when you add a weighted vest, you put added pressure on joints, especially your knees. While using a weighted vest, one of the main reasons why you're not jumping rope long is because you're putting pressure on body parts that aren't used to having that much pressure on them. You're working body parts out like you're growing, and it's not a body part you're normally kind of putting a lot of weight on, so you need time to let that develop and let those muscles get stronger. Jumping with a weighted vest can also mess with your rhythm and timing. If you're doing it too often, you might not be able to jump rope without the vest for a little while just because you're used to that weight. So if you're doing any kind of tricks, learning any kind of tricks, the weighted vest can mess you up if you're doing it too often. Overloading the upper body with a weighted vest could lead to injuries of the spine. If you already have issues with your spinal cord, avoid using a weighted vest. It can definitely make it worse. How to stay safe when using a weighted vest for jumping rope. The weighted vest you use should be no more than 4 to 10% of your current body weight. I'm about 200 pounds currently, and I use an 8-pound vest as a guideline. Do not try to mimic your current workout with the weighted vest. Remember, it's heavier and it's more harsh on your joints and it's working muscles that aren't used to being worked. So you want to cut your workout down to half to maybe even a third of your workout. You'll still feel the results. Maintain a workout of using the jump rope without a weighted vest. Make sure you do that so you can maintain your coordination with the jump rope without the weighted vest. Remember, the vest is just a tool to help you get your stamina up and get in better shape.
So we all get to the point in our jump rope journey where we're trying to make it more efficient, and we ask ourselves, should I jump rope with ankle weights? In today's video, I'm gonna answer exactly that. So let's explore all the good and bad that jumping rope with ankle weights can do.
Before you jump rope with ankle weights, ask yourself this one question.
Yeah, but your scientists were so preoccupied with whether or not they could, they didn't stop to think if they should.
While jumping rope with ankle weights can seem like a smart idea, the bad definitely outweighs the good here. The first thing I noticed when I was trying to jump rope with ankle weights is it threw off my balance right away. It made it even hard just to walk regular, much less jump rope. And this is a problem because jumping rope, balance is everything. If you can't keep your balance, you can and may hurt yourself.
I know a lot of women use ankle weights in order to get a bigger and better butt, but I'm here to tell you it doesn't work like that. You're not really getting what you think you're getting from ankle weights. The weight doesn't help you get a better butt, and here's why.
While jumping rope with ankle weights, I tried to make sure that I felt every muscle in my body. What was it working? I didn't feel it doing anything to my buttocks. You get a natural workout in your buttocks from just jumping rope, but the ankle weights added nothing more to it, not that I noticed. The next issue could be your knees. By attaching weight to your ankles, you're adding more impact on the load-bearing knee joint. Using the ankle weights while jumping can lead to severe repetitive motion and overuse injuries such as stress fractures and hyperextensions of the knee, according to a study published in Military Medicine. In fact, that same study found that wearing weights near the feet is not effective at burning calories as wearing weights on other parts of the body. The more weight you put on your knee structure, the more pressure and loading forces it must support. A Harvard Health Beat article explains how dropping a few pounds can make a big difference in reducing the pressure on your knees and ultimately protecting them. Your ankle weights are an easy couple pounds to lose. The additional stress of wearing these weights while jumping lead to more wear and tear on your knees over time. The weights can also have the harmful effect of altering your jumping and landing mechanisms. This will make it more difficult to jump without the weights and make it harder for you to learn other tricks if you're trying to learn more tricks. According to the Arthritis Today website, your knee is one of the most commonly injured joints. Its structure and design make it vulnerable to all kinds of injury, which can lead to not only pain but loss of function. When walking on level ground, the force on your knees is about 1.5 times your body weight. When jumping, the force can be 15 times your body weight. That alone will make your knees cry out. Adding ankle weights to the mix only adds more pressure on the joints.
All in all, I don't recommend using ankle weights. They're putting pressure on the wrong parts of your body. It isn't really giving you the benefit you think it is. It's throwing off your balance. I would suggest you do things like use a weighted vest or a weighted jump rope. Now, if you want to jump rope without losing any muscle, you want to check this video out right here. I'm sure it's the perfect video for you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.